Greetings, folks. William Caleb back at you with another affiliate marketing video today. And today I came upon a question that asks, is it hard to make money on Clickbank or Amazon as in Clickbank or Amazon affiliate? So what they're basically asking is, which is easier to make money online with, Clickbank or Amazon? That's a very good question. And as you can see here where the question was asked, the first obvious answer was it's all about traffic. And yes, that is true. It is all about traffic, the people coming to the particular offer. But let's dig in even just a tad bit deeper here. As you see that I wrote here, no, it's not hard to make money with Clickbank or Amazon, because as long as you can match the right people with the right offer, it will be easy. See, the so-called trick is in knowing your niche, knowing what those particular want, and then choosing the correct offer for them, whether it be from Clickbank or Amazon. And other important things to note is that Clickbank mostly deals with digital products, meaning downloadable products or online training or a software or just an informational product that teaches something. It's usually along those lines, and the payouts, commissions can be from 50% all the way to 75% commissions due to the digital nature. I mean, the vendor doesn't have to store any inventory. It's all electronic. It's all digitized, right? You access your product online, right? Behind a download page or via some login behind a private membership site. That's mostly the type of products on Clickbank. And as I said, there are some software services there were pretty good software services, by the way, and they'll pay out weekly, whereas Amazon, there is tons and tons of physical, tangible products. So it's going to depend on your niche. That's what it's going to boil down to, and what's going to be the best offer for their needs of what they're needing, not what you think they need. But while you're doing your research into where the people in your niche hang out, you'll see them tell you what they need. And that's the offer you come up with. You'll either find that offer, whether it be a digital type, downloadable, or training type, ebook type, info product type, or software type offer. You can get it from Clickbank, a physical offer, such as something that they physically hold and physically use. Amazon. Now, another thing about Amazon I want to make sure that you know is their commission is a whole lot lower than Clickbank's. As I said, Clickbank can be from 50 to even 75% commissions. Amazon's usually in the 3% to 7% range. Also, it takes longer for Amazon to pay out. They pay out like every other month. It's like a bi-monthly thing. And to be honest with you, sometimes it even takes a little longer than that. So you really have to drive a whole lot of traffic to an Amazon type offer as an affiliate to build up the volume to get commission. Whereas a Clickbank offer, it's generally not going to take as much traffic to generate some nice commissions in a much faster time. But it's just all going to depend on your niche. It's all going to depend on what they need. I want you to take a look. I have in the description a nice place where you can go to get going with Clickbank. Somewhere in the description, there's going to be a link to this page. You can see it here as well. The address here, and it's going to give you everything you need to start Clickbank, as well as an affiliate program of its own. But what's awesome about this, I'll let you go through everything, but you get these affiliate storefronts that already have your Clickbank ID embedded in them. All these storefronts, and See all these different ones and all these different niches? And your Clickbank ID will automatically be inserted. But you got to come to this page here and register up so that you can fill out your Clickbank ID in the back office. There's even a WordPress plugin where you can have your own WordPress site full of Clickbank products, and these are the different templates. You simply just upload this thing. You can have a WordPress blog, a full blog with many articles and posts, and they'll have your Clickbank ID already embedded in this specific niche. Only products from this specific niche will be promoted throughout your site with your Clickbank ID automatically embedded. This is a great way to blast off into immediate profits with Clickbank. So just come on over here. Like I said, there's a description. There's a link in the description here of this video. I want to show you too what one of my sites look like that I use. Just a moment while it loads. If you were to go on over to wheezemall.info, WEEZEMALL.info, you'll see one of my Clickbank storefronts here. As you can see, it's an information download site, and we angle it, well, I've angled it as a solution site. We have the solutions to whatever problems you're having, because that's what these digital info products are. They basically provide solutions to everyday problems that people are having. That's what that's why they're so popular and so valuable, and they sell so much. People really pay for information, personalized, direct to the point, specific information. Look at all these different categories of products. All of it. It's a mall. It's a digital information mall. And these are all Clickbank products, and my ID is within all of them. It's within every last one of them. There's even great review pages. There's everything. I wasn't going to go over it, but I did want to show you this. I also included, I have an area toward the bottom that you see called shopping mall categories. And there are different little links, and these are for physical products. I just simply coded it in because you can add code, your own code, into these storefronts as well. So it's pretty neat. So for example, a physical product, like let's just say, oh, let's find something here. Let's say they needed something in kitchen and dining. They just click on that link, and to this page you see here, which is actually my Amazon affiliate link. You see how I did that transition there? They clicked that, tried to give them a way to get whatever they want, whether it be a clickbankable product or some physical product via Amazon, and have it set up on that storefront there. So yeah, that's over at wheezemall.info. Great site. You can get one like this, or even the one. There's so many designs, and then there's niche specific sites. And again, they'll always have your Clickbank ID embedded. Let's take a look at the product review pages. Watch how this looks. This is very detailed. They really give you a nice site here. See, this is different product reviews and all these different categories. Look, there was multiple niches. Right here. Right here. And they do have, Clickbank does have some physical products, especially in the supplements niche. You'll find a bunch of those, which is a very multi-billion-dollar niche. Don't know if you're aware of that or not. But let's look on one of the products, for example, so you can see what the review page actually looks like. And here's how this review page looks. Look how nicely it's laid out. Telling them exactly what they're getting, showing them high quality pictures, exactly how the particular product works, the pros and the cons, and of course, a nice link that has my Clickbank ID embedded. But if you take advantage of the link that's in the description, it'll have your link embedded there. on these review pages. Pretty nice. That's at wheezymall.info. And of course, this is where you actually can register up and access these websites for yourself to use. Well, that's just about all I have today. I just wanted to show the distinction between Clickbank and Amazon, and is it easier to make money online with either one? Well, once again, at the end of the day, it's all about the niche you're in and what's the best offer for those people in that niche, coupled with your overall financial goals. Want to get paid a little faster? You might want to consider promoting some of those products you found on Clickbank. But then again, your audience may be wanting something that's a physical product, something that's in their hands, more to speak. It just depends on the niche and what type of thing they're looking for. So, William Caleb, the affiliate marketer. Once again, I thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please like us or hit the subscribe button. Trying to build the channel up. We've been helping a lot of people out, hitting #1 for certain reviews on certain opportunities. And I just want it to grow, and I want you to keep coming in and getting the content and seeing what I find for you guys. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.